Hello viewers, so this is Anchor Isha Ingorani. Welcome to EQ International Magazine's India's oldest and leading solar media. And today we are happy to have Mr. Bhupendra Singh Rawat. He is the CEO of Daksh. Hi sir, how are you?
Hi, welcome to Dash.
Sir, kindly just give us a brief introduction of yourself and your company.
Thank you. Myself, Bhupendra Singh Rawat. I am the Chief Executive Officer of Dash PV Technologies Limited. We are India's largest and global number one non-Chinese integrated junction box manufacturer. In fact, now we are moving from a product supplier to be a solution provider, wherein we are also supplying all the DC connections required between module till inverter. We are today 40 gigawatt of we have 40 gigawatt of junction box manufacturing capacity and have 40% of Indian market share and leading this business.
That's really great, sir. What products are you displaying in this expo?
So our regular Trio and Trio Pro, which are in 25 amps, 30 amps, and 35 amps, we are already displaying all the junction box, which is our key product, and only we are the only recognized, authorized, and certified supplier in India today. Other than that, we are also displaying our latest products, which are 2000 volt junction box and the DC connectors, wherein these products will get certified by end of June. So now as we know that the industry is moved from larger size of solar cells, efficiencies have moved, plus the technology which has changed from monoPERC to TOPCon to HJT. So with all these new launches, we will be future ready.
If we talk about your company strategies, then just do share with the strategies and the further expansions.
Oh, great. So, see, as I said, that we are the leaders in junction box. So now we are in expansion mode, wherein we are bringing additional products. We are expanding currently the junction box capacity from 40 gigawatt to 63 gigawatt, which will happen within 4 months' time. We are also bringing in interconnect and bus bar, wherein we are starting with the initial production capacity of 6.3 gigawatt, and within 1 year we have a plan to take it to 25 gigawatt plus. We are also getting into backward integration, wherein we are bringing in 1000 kilometers per day DC cable capacity, so that our import dependence will definitely reduce. We also have plans to get further backward integration into semiconductor diode manufacturing, which is a second phase of expansion.
That's really great, sir. Wishing you and your company a continuous success. And thank you so much for your valuable time, the insightful experience which you have shared with us. Thank you, sir.
It is always pleasure. Thank you so much.